every so often, a company reaches out and wants me to take a look at their product. So that's why I have this little jump box here that I was so graciously sent by AutoOne, link in the description. A lot of times I get these products, I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with them. Like, there's already a bunch of videos already out there. And even worse is when a company reaches out to me, but I can't find a product that I actually want to look at. This one here was what they offered, so I decided I was going to take a look at it. Now, there's not really a whole much to say about the packaging, although I do like it. Very sharp, very clean. Comes with a nice little carrying case, by the way, which, I really do like. Like, this thing's a nice present. If you want to get somebody a present, definitely, give this thing a look. I will say, though, that it was a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. They actually have bigger versions, so, if you need something a bit bigger, check them out. This one's in the medium range, I think. Instructions, I probably didn't need, but, we'll come back to that later. It comes with a little charging cable, which might be a bit too short, depending on where you want to charge it at. But the unit itself feels pretty sturdy. I'm not sure what kind of battery it has in it. We'll see how long it holds up. But overall, I was really happy with the quality. Just, overall glance, taking a look at it. Took me a while to figure out what some of the ports were and whatnot, and how it charged. So I probably should have held on to the instructions. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to throw this thing on the charger and let it juice up. And then we'll find something to do with this. I'm sure you guys know how a jump box works. So we won't go jump a car, even if I had one that needed jumped. We'll find out. Yeah, let's go throw this thing on the charger. Now, I suppose I needed these more than I realized. There's two ports on it. There's a USB port. It's your standard USB port for charging your phone. So it works as a battery bank, which I really like. And then it has your standard like USB Type-C, I think they call it, for charging up the unit. So you can just go throw it in whatever wall charger you want. It has a display on it to tell you how full the battery is, so that's nice. So we're gonna let this sit here and juice itself up overnight, and then we'll come back tomorrow and see what this thing can do. So here we go. So I know a lot of you guys know what you can do with one of these jump boxes, but here's what you can't. You can't weld with it. Bummer. I wanted to check the voltage on it. This thing's fully charged. I wanted to know kind of like what voltage it was going to send to the battery. So I threw the old voltage meter on her to give her a little look-see. And it was reading about, since you won't be able to see it in the video, I didn't think about that, but it was reading about 16.3 volts, which seems pretty good. Pretty good. I wasn't expecting that much, to be honest. I was expecting like 14. So happy to see it. I couldn't see if the unit was pulsing or constant voltage or not, so that might be something to look into. The air pump seemed like it did a pretty good job. I threw it on this old tire I had laying around the shop, and she pumped right up to the pressure I set on the screen, so I was pretty happy to see that. Now, you never know what kind of road conditions you're going to have. It has built-in flashlight. Now, I'm going to be honest, I feel like this LED light could be a hell of a lot brighter. But, something's better than nothing, right? And it has like different flash modes. All right, fellas, that's the video. AutoOne is doing a little Christmas sale. They got 25% discount on a lot of their items, so be sure to check that out. And if the item you want isn't on sale, well, I got a discount code. Use my affiliate link down below. Use the code down below for 15% off, guys. I really like this unit. The only complaints I had was that it couldn't weld and the light could be a little bit brighter. So take that of it as you will. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you check out this video here and maybe subscribe down there. And this is Tall Garage signing out.